In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload the Canva presentation to Google Drive, and we will also see how you can share this as well. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So if you want to access some presentation templates, all you have to do is just write here presentation. If you want to get some of the free templates here, write here presentation. You can write PowerPoint presentation as well. So let's write PowerPoint presentation. So these are some of the options, and this is what I was already working on. So you have the choice either to you can choose from these templates, which are free, or you can choose your existing template. Just open it. And now we have the option to either present it or share it. We are going to share this one because we are going to download or upload it as a Google Drive. So from here, just click on share. Now, in order to save this presentation, just click on this download button right here and make sure in the file type you change it as a PPTX, which is a Microsoft PowerPoint document or a presentation, and make sure all the pages are selected. And you can save the download settings as well. If you want to save it in future with all of these settings, click on download. And then if it doesn't start automatically, you can click here and let's see here. As we can see, it is downloaded. Just go to this folder right here. And this is, we can change the name later on as well, my presentation. All right, now let's see how you can upload this on Google Drive. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a relevant Gmail account before uploading that. And after that, you can just click on new and click on file upload. And then just go to the downloads and choose your presentation. So you will see the status of the upload here. And once the status is ticked like that, just go to the My Drive here and you can see your presentation here. But now let's open that. You can just directly open that and it will load in Google Slides. And as we can see, it has properly loaded, looking nice. And guys, by the way, if you want to share it, you can share it directly from here as well. Click on share and it will open up all those settings which we have seen earlier to share the files. So if you want to give a journal access to all the people in public for this presentation, you can just set the journal access to anyone with this link and they should be able to view and download this presentation. So click on copy link after that, and then you can forward this kind of link to any person you want, or you can upload it to your website or to your Facebook page, whatever. Now, if you want to shorten this link, you can use bit.ly or link shorteners for that. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can create the presentation in Canva and then upload it to Google Drive and then share them on public. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more about such an amazing techniques and tips, you can check out the playlist link in the description. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.